me hear.
Delicious.
What do you like about it?
Everything.
How would you describe the taste?
Sweet,
Uh-huh.
but sour.
Okay. So sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
A little bit. Happy birthday, Tsunami. Happy birthday, Sue.
Happy birthday, Sue.
I'm done.
Let's say it. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Sue. So just like our birthday girl, my darling sister-in-law Sue, I love salads, or as my dad calls them, kaspoos. When I came to the US, one of the things that really stood out to me was having salads as a complete meal, which is very unlike in India. So to get started with this delicious and easy mango salad, we will first peel the mango. And the best way I find to peel a firm and an unripe mango like this is to simply use a vegetable peeler. Now for shredding the mango, you can either use this Julienne peeler, or what I find easier, and also if for those that don't have a Julienne peeler, is using this technique with the knife. So basically, we're cutting these deep cuts into the mango real fast and then slicing it through to get those long juliennes. Next, we'll shred one cucumber using the Julienne peeler, and we'll go up to the point where the seeds start, and we'll leave that seed portion out and don't have to throw it away. You can just eat it separately. In the description box below, I'll put a link as to where you can find this handy and inexpensive tool. And now the same thing with the carrot. We'll take about half a carrot, essentially because we don't want the other ingredients to overpower the salad. We still want the mango to be the star. By the way, did you know that the national fruit of India is the mango? And it's even called the king of fruits back home. In fact, a dear friend of mine, Farhat, even has a mango orchard, and I have great memories of receiving a box or two of beautiful scented mangoes in the hot summer season. For the cilantro, I'll just go ahead and tear up the leaves and then chop the stem real fine. Now, if you don't like cilantro, and I know there are quite a few people out there, then you can just go ahead and omit it. Next come the peanuts. So I have some roasted peanuts here that I'll have whack into some smaller pieces. And now for the dressing. Well, bound into a coarse paste, a small piece of ginger, about 1/4 of a green chili or to taste, and a small bunch of mint leaves. Next, we'll add in about half a teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne pepper, salt to taste, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of honey, and that's it. That's your easy peasy dressing. And lastly, all you have to do is toss all these delicious ingredients with the dressing and serve chilled. Now just a little tip, since the salad wilts very soon, I suggest you add the dressing just before you're going to serve it. And then enjoy! If you like what you see, I'd love for you to support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon next to it to be alerted each time I post a video.